Choosing the right current account for your business is an important decision that can impact your financial operations and overall business efficiency. Here are some key steps to consider when selecting a current account. Assess your business needs. Before choosing a current account, evaluate your business's specific requirements. Consider factors such as transaction volume and frequency, cash handling needs, international transactions, business structure, and legal requirements. Understanding your business's unique needs will help you narrow down the options. Determine account features and benefits. Look for account features that align with your business requirements. Consider factors such as account maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, transaction limits and fees, overdraft facility, interest rates and earnings, additional services, and integration with accounting software. Prioritize the features that are most important for your business. Evaluate the bank. Research and evaluate the banks offering current accounts for businesses. Consider factors such as the bank's reputation, stability, accessibility, branch network, online and mobile banking experience, customer service and support, availability of a dedicated business relationship manager, and technology and security measures in place. Look for a bank that has a strong track record and offers convenient and reliable banking services. Compare current account options. Compare the current account options available from different banks. Assess the account features, fees and charges, online and mobile banking services, and customer reviews and ratings for each bank. Pay attention to the fine print, including any hidden fees or restrictions. This comparison will help you identify the banks that best meet your business needs. Opening and managing your current account. Once you have chosen a bank and a specific current account, follow the account application process provided by the bank. Prepare the necessary documentation required to open the account, such as identification documents, business registration details, and proof of address. Once the account is set up, familiarize yourself with the account management procedures, such as making transactions, monitoring fees and charges, and conducting regular account reviews. Remember, it's essential to periodically review your current account to ensure it continues to meet your business's evolving needs. As your business grows, you may need to revisit your choice of current account and consider whether it still aligns with your requirements. By following these steps and conducting thorough research, you can choose the right current account for your business, facilitating smooth financial operations and supporting your business growth.